Welcome back to our channel. MCQ questions on environmental science for KCET 2025. So the first question, which is the first biosphere reserve in India? So the options are Nanda Devi, Nilgiri, Sundarbans, Gulf of Mannar antide. So first biosphere reserve in India yaudandre adu option B, Nilgiri is the right answer. So next question, who described dams as the temples of modern India? So this is a KCET ಅಲ್ಲಿ one KCET ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದು. So who described dams as the temples of modern India? So Mahatma Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, J.R.D. Tata and Jawaharlal Nehru. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು who described dams ದೇವಾಲಯ ತರ dams as the temples of modern India ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದವರು ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so the right answer option D, Jawaharlal Nehru. So next question, the term biodiversity hotspot was coined by. So biodiversity hotspot coined by ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ was coined by, so Norman Mailer, Charles Darwin, M.S. Swaminathan and Wilson ಅಂತಿದೆ. So the biodiversity was coined by option A, Norman Mailer is the right answer. So next question, which country is the largest emitter of CO2 in the world? ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ದೇಶ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೊರಸೂಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ದೇಶ ಯಾವುದು ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ USA, ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ಚೀನಾ, ರಷ್ಯಾ ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ, ಚೀನಾ is the right answer. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.